guys, this is this is Michael Starbucks weather videos and more here, or MSWV and M. That's short for what I just said. But I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it is it's really windy out, and we're getting a lot of windy and rainy weather from the hurricane that's going on. I think it's starts with a J. I don't remember the name of the hurricane. Well, actually, I do know the name. I just don't know how to say it. But yeah, it is windy out. If you look at that tree, it is blowing. Yeah, see, it's wiggling. It's not raining at this point. It's actually sprinkling a tiny bit, but it's not raining too hard. It's 46 degrees right now. It's October 1st, or no, October 3rd, 2015. I made a video with my other camera earlier. Actually, I made 3, but only 2 of them made it. Kind of sucked, but some reason I'm having a little bit of video issues with my camera, or my HD video camera and my computer. Yeah, I'm staring at the trees. It's the only way you can tell it's windy is by looking at the trees. It's getting a little dark out. I was gonna make a lot of videos earlier, but earlier it was colder, and so I went inside. Yeah, the hurricane that's going on, it happened, I think, around the Bahamas, and a lot of people said it's happening along the East Coast as well. I had some person from, I think, New York that said they're supposed to get some strong winds and all that, and yeah. I don't know if you can tell by the clouds or not, but the clouds are moving kind of quick. They've been moving like that all day. It was actually really windy out yesterday as well, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't cold either. Well, actually, it was kind of cold, but it wasn't as cold. Yesterday, I was walking home from school, and I walked past this tree, and a gust of wind came through and blew on the tree, and it didn't knock the tree over, but it blew down a bunch of sticks and leaves right on me. Kind of sucked. I didn't get hurt. They weren't too big, so that was fine. I'm trying not to move around too much. There, I'm gonna zoom out. I'm gonna go stand by this tree. You guys can't see very. You guys can only see the sky and the light over there and there, but you can't really see the ground. I do have this one thing on my camera where I can change video settings, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. Yeah, we're getting a lot of wind and rain from the hurricane happening along the Atlantic. And we're all the way in Michigan, Portage, Michigan. For those of you who watch my videos quite often, you know that I make most of my videos in Portage, Michigan and Breedsville, Michigan. Portage, Michigan is where I actually live, but Breedsville, I visit Breedsville quite often because that's where my dad lives. Yeah, see, it's getting really windy out. I'm surprised we haven't gotten any branches knocked over. Which that still could be possible, but I mean, hopefully we don't. I don't feel like picking up a huge mess, even though there's already a lot of sticks, but not branches and all that crap. I think the sky is getting darker and darker as I make this video. I'm probably going to cut this video in a little bit, because you guys are going to be able to see. If there was lightning right now, and it was flashing across the sky, you'd probably be able to see it a little better, but you know, it's windy. Okay, never mind. Also, if you guys think I sound a little different, it's because I've been coughing lately. I'm wearing 2 sweatshirts right now because one sweatshirt does not do me good when I'm coughing a bunch. If you guys hear that siren noise, that's fire trucks. They go around every day. That's what happens when you live in a city. Someday I'd like to move out into the country, but I wanna get past. I wanna wait until I graduate out of high school before moving out. I'm a junior right now, so I got a little over 2 years to go. Yeah, those sirens, those are nothing new. We get them all the time. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, well, I'm low on storage, so I'm gonna cut this video. If anything else does happen, I'll make another video, but and oh man, that's a fire truck. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut this video. It's getting too dark out, and yeah. Anyway, for those of you who are watching, thank you very much, and see you later.